Join me guys, let's unbox this package together. See how body dey shock me when the package arrive. Now two things make body dey shock me like this. So two things for inside this full package. Oya, let's unbox it together. Stay tuned, don't go. Watch the full video, not dey watch at so half video. See this one, don't bring this one hand. Let's see what we have here. Oh, this one is Recoat. You see the sample for here now, so it be Recoat for this winter in case if rain dey fall, you want carry baby go school. Let's see this one. What do we have here? Okay, this one is to make sure your kid's height. If you don't know the length, if they ask you how your kid talk reach, which length they be, you don't know, go buy this thing. Make you take the measure. You go and put for door or wall, anywhere for your house. Go and put, take the measure their height. This one is to lock door, very important. You see how this small pikin dey stretch for here to open this door, e no fit. Na so I want my storeroom where I dey keep this storeroom. These children go dey open anyhow because the storeroom no get key. This one are scissors to cut your wig. One for my business. See this bead, I like this bead. This tank I put am for hand. I like the bead really fine. This one are my water bottle, also for my business. Let's see what we have here. Sure. Okay, I don't see. And this one are for file, for documents. Yeah. This one are for file. Which one be? Another one. This one very important to dey lock your wardrobe. You see the way I take lock my own for here. My own be this one. So next be this one. You see, I don't set am for here. Now the sample be this. Cause the way my baby take the open wardrobe, I go shout. I'll carry headache. You see, and since when I buy am since then, I no dey shout again. I just to go man, they use and lock your wardrobe. You don't call the shout up and down. Leave there, don't open it. No, go buy that thing. Very important. This one at all well. Which one? This one are the most favorite one. Hey, see Anna, see my baby school bag. I like this school bag. Go see the sample for up then. If you like, can go buy am for your baby. Now you go choose the picture or wetin you want write put for the school bag. Any picture when you choose or the writing when you put, now so they'll take do one for you. You see how my baby like this school bag. Don't worry, I'm going to be posting the video when I take surprise one with the school bag, the reaction, everything. I will see. This one is razor. For me, when they lose hair, I need them. Very important. This one wig cap to install your wig. And the one when I dey put for hair, person follow me buy hair for my business. So I dey buy am all the time. They keep for us. This one a sponge, very strong. I like this sponge. All those supermarket sponge when I dey buy, they don't dey good. Make pure. Which one is this? What do we have here? Also this one I see for my business to wig your wig. If you want wig any hair, maybe you buy bundles of hair, you want wig. See, I don't they put them together because they go together. These four things. See my mic. But this mic, it fuck me up, oh guys. It don't work for my phone. I don't know, say they select phone. It don't work. The mic now your day as here, abandon project, maybe. Abandon property. Anyway, it don't work for my phone. Whether I mean not fit set and where, I don't know. But the thing don't work for my phone. It dey work, oh, it dey on. It don't work for my old phone. They select phone. This one a hand glove for this winter. Very important. If I carry my baby go school, you need to put on hand glove before cold go this one the hand for me. This one a brush for my baby, the little boy. Some of the brush when I use for am. Which one be this? This one also for this school very important. Socks for kids wey dey dey match ground. Make cold no go inside their leg. May I say e don finish for here o. No, see there. Last but not the least. Okay, this one I see for door. For like the other one we show later. This one and the last one, I like this ring light well. You see the sample for there just now. I like am. You fit remove the light if you want to remove am. You fit couple anyhow you want. See am. But I no dey unbox am for here. I wan just show am. Later I come couple am. If I wan couple am, I will show the video as I take couple am. I say my call dey couple am for here, the video go too long. Alright guys, see you guys on my next video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post any new video, you will get notification. Bye. Let me show you my favorite. This is my favorite. Among all these unboxing that we unbox, this is my favorite one. This is my baby school bag. And the other one is the microphone. Let me show you the microphone. And this one. But this one fucked me up though. Alright, bye. Please like and comment on this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys.